What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to share a Google document with others. So first head over to Google Documents, and then if you don't have created any of the document, click on this blank document and then create your new document from scratch, and then you can also edit it from here. Here are some of the editing options. But if you already have created a Google document and you want to share it, just simply open that particular Google document by just clicking it once, and then on the right side you will see the share button. Click on the share button and then a pop-up will appear from here. If you want to send to one or two specific emails, just type in the emails here in the top bar. But if you want to send it to bulk people and to more than two or three people, so you will see the button to copy link. Click on this copy link button, and then the link for this file will be copied, and then in the general access you need to give the access to anyone with the link. And when you have copied the link, just simply click on done, and after that you can just simply paste the link in your WhatsApp groups or your Instagram groups or wherever the groups you have created, and you want to send this document to all the members. You can send them by just pasting the link. So this is how you can share a Google document with others. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.